Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to install the web server, IIS service on Windows Server 2000 virtual machine running on Google Cloud. Okay, yeah. So as of now, the machine is stopped. Okay, so let me select the option here and then start the machine. Okay, yeah. So let me turn on the machine. Okay. And then for the notification, sign here, it shows that it's working on it. Okay, so let's just be patient. Okay, yeah. And let me close this message. Okay, yeah. And one more time. Okay, there you go. So it's up and running already. Okay, it shows a check mark. Okay. And then again, I have another video shows that I have the I can use the remote desktop to connect to my virtual machine. And then I'm going to check the IP address, which is correct. Okay. And then assume that you have one user and its password set up already. So let me click the connection. Okay, yeah. So again, you will ask me to accept the security certificate. Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah, no problem. There you go. Okay, so I'm connecting to my Windows Server 2012 R2 release version 2 edition. Let me maximize the user interface. And then again, feel free to play with it. Okay, yeah, feel free to play with it. Okay, to add the web, or to set up the web server, or add the IIS service, you can go to this option here, add the roles and features, or you can go to the manage and pick this one. It's really up to you. So let me go by this option here. And then the wizard user interface will pop up. I'm going to click on next. Feel free to read the description. Okay, yeah. If you would like to know more information. Okay, yeah. I'm going to click next. Okay, and then I'm going to click next. Is the role-based configuration. Okay, yeah. All right, and then I'm going to click next again. Okay, and then for the web service, you have to scroll it down a little bit, based on the option over here. There you go. So you can see that this is the web server, IIS service. I'll put a check mark on it, okay? And then another pop-up will show up. I just pick add the features, okay? And then click next, okay, yeah. And then again, I mean, you can add more stuff to it, okay? Yeah, but again, I will just keep it simple, okay? Yeah, click next, okay? And then next again. Again, there are more options to pick. I will keep it simple. Okay, so just pick next. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. Then I'm going to click the install. Okay, yeah, install, and then you can see that from the progress bar over here, it shows that it is installing but not done yet. Okay, so please be patient. Okay, yeah. It won't take too long. Okay, yeah, this is not a big program at all. Okay, yeah, so just be patient. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so it's installing. Okay, and then once it's done, it will show you the installation completion sign. Okay, yeah, all message. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, yeah. Oh, maybe I should pause the video. Okay, yeah. Let me pause the video. Okay, yeah. Well, again, when I was about to pause the video, it shows the installation succeeded. Okay, good. Okay, yeah. Once it show you this sign, then you can click the close. Okay, yeah. All right. So how do you know that the web server got set up correctly? Okay, yeah. Two ways to check it out. Okay, yeah. Let me normalize this one first. Okay, yeah. So one way will be you can click this Windows sign over the lower left-hand corner here, and then you can invoke the Internet Explorer. Okay, yeah, and then again for the setting over here, I would say don't use the recommend the settings as of now. Okay, yeah, And then, okay, let me move the browser down a little bit. Then I can try the localhost, okay, as the kind of the shortcut address, okay. Local, okay, host, okay, press enter key. There you go. Okay, so if you see okay, this picture here, okay, it means that your web server has been installed correctly. Okay, yeah. As for where to put the company's web page, okay, or your personal web page, I will get to that later. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so again, okay, the server is up. Okay, but then you can also see that there is one more service over here. Okay, got added onto the user interface. Okay, shows that the IIS web server is up. Okay, but then let me normalize the remote desktop connection. But then again, you might be thinking that then how do I know that you will allow users in the internet the whole world to visit my web server. Okay, so you can try. Let me minimize this one. Okay, and assume that this is my local machine, right? Then I can copy this public IP again. Make sure you use the external IP. We call it the public IP. This is internal one. We call it the internal kind of private IP. Okay, yeah. So you have to use the public IP. Okay, so copy that one, and then on your local machine. Okay, local machine. Not your virtual machine. Okay, your local machine. Okay, yeah. Then you can just paste the IP address over there. Press the enter key. Okay. Then in a minute, there you go. Okay, then it shows anyone in the world. Once they punch in this public IP, then they will be able to visit your web server. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so now we're going to get into how to set up the web page. Okay, yeah. So let me see. Yes, there you go. Okay, so this will be my. Oh, so sorry, not this one. It should be another one. Yeah. So let me enlarge the screen here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So once you have the IIS set up, then if you go to the file explorer, okay, so let me click that one. Okay, click that one. Okay, yeah. Again, this is the virtual machine. Okay, the interface here is the virtual machine, not my local machine. Okay, then if you click the C drive, okay, yeah, the C drive. Okay, yeah, then you can see that there is an a directory called INET pub. Okay, yeah, internet public, and you navigate into it, double click in, you will see other subdirectories under it. But then navigate into the www root. Okay, yeah, this is very important. Okay, so you can see that this is actually the location that you can create your company's web page. Okay, yeah. So let me see. Let me right click and then let me see whether I can quickly create a new page or not. Okay, yeah. So let me see, new folder. No, I don't want to create a new folder. Okay, yeah. I want to create a new page. Okay, yeah. Okay, so give me a minute and let me pause the video. Okay, yeah. Okay, in a minute, I'm going to show you that we can use the Notepad to create a very simple web page. Okay, yeah. However, for me, I prefer to see the file extension. Okay, yeah. So to turn on that option, you can click the view. Okay, click the view, and then go to the very right over here. Pick the options. Okay, click on it. Then from the tabs over here, select the view tab, okay, the view tab, and then look for the high extensions for non file types, okay. Remove the checkbox, please, okay, yeah, remove it and click apply, okay, yeah, click apply, yeah, all right, and then click OK. Then you can see that now I can see the file extension. Okay, yeah. All right. So now I'm going to create a web page. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to click the Windows servers window icon here. Okay. Then from the search, okay, a box over here, okay, then I'm going to click on it, okay, and then I'm going to type, okay, Notepad, okay, so it shows up. Let me click on it, and then I'm going to quickly type in a very simple, okay, web page, okay, yeah. So there you go, okay, yeah. All right, and then again, just try to keep it simple, okay? Yeah, just for testing purpose, okay? So this will be, okay, kind of, no, this is means page, okay? Yeah, web page, okay, yeah. Just keep it simple, okay? And then I'm going to click the file, click save as, okay? And then select, okay, the save as type, okay, select the all files. Then I'm going to pick the name, okay, index, okay, the HTML. Okay, yeah, file extension is very important, okay, yeah. And then the default name index is very important as well. So make sure that you pick the index.html. And then the location, okay, will be the C drive users, okay, temp, okay, users, okay, 2012, okay, and document. Then you can click save, okay, yeah. All right, okay, and then let me minimize this one, okay, then go back to this file explorer. I'm going to click the file and then pick, open a new window, okay, yeah, here, okay, yeah, there you go. So another file explorer showed up. Then I can click the desktop, okay, and then click the current login user, temp user 2012, go into the documents, okay, and then copy this file, okay, select and right click the mouse button, pick copy, okay, and then go back to the www root subdirectory, okay, and then click paste, okay, yeah, paste. It will tell you that you need some administrator permission. Do you want to do that? Do you want to continue? Just click continue. Yeah, continue. There you go. Okay, so okay, the file got copied. Okay, yeah. So this is kind of the default location. Okay. For you to put your company's web page, default web page, yeah, or your personal default web page. Okay, yeah. So this path is very important. Okay, yeah. C drive, innet pub, www root. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so let me minimize this one. And then again, how do you do the test? Okay, so on the virtual machine, click that one. Okay, and then again, you can type in the local host, do a refresh, okay, yeah, reload, okay, yeah. Then there we go, okay, so it shows the web page indeed got retrieved, okay, yeah. And you might be wondering, how come you don't need to type in the index.html file name? That is by default, okay, by default, the web server when you look into the files under this directory, okay, yeah, under this directory, okay, yeah, sorry, not this one, yeah. Now let me go back here. Under this www root, okay, if it sees a file, okay, with the name index.html, okay, and then it will grab it, okay, and then it will send it back to the client, okay. That's why okay, you don't need to type in the index.html, okay, file name, okay. Yeah, but then again, this is the testing locally, but then how do you do the test from using the browser outside of the internet, okay, yeah. Okay, so anywhere in the world, okay, yeah, then let me again kind of normalize this one, okay, yeah, switch back to the browser on my local machine, okay, on my local machine. Okay, so again, this is the previous one before I added the index the HTML page to the remote server, right? And then now, let me just yeah, I can just do a quick reload. Okay, reload. Okay, there we go. So you can see that. Now anyone in the whole world, they can just visit my web server, and then retrieve the web page information without any problem. Okay, yeah, again, have to use the public IP. Okay, yeah. So, okay, I think that that will be all. Okay, I wanted to share with you, okay, how to set up the web server, okay, Windows web server, and then how to put the default page over there. Okay, again, I just wanted to keep the thing simple. Okay, yeah, that's all. Yeah, so let me stop the recording. Yeah.